In this video, I will briefly explain how to set up and use VisLM when mixing a project for Netflix. Essentially, it's as simple as selecting the right preset, but I will go into slightly more detail. First of all, in order to access the presets menu, click on Options and then open the drop-down menu at the top. If you're mixing towards Netflix best practice specifications, then you should choose either Netflix Stereo or Netflix 5.1. Back on the Loudness tab, VisLM now shows different measurements: dialogue gated integrated loudness, LRA or loudness range, and dialogue gated LRA. Hovering the mouse over the integrated value, it shows what percentage of your project contains dialogue. If the overall percentage is less than 15%, you should switch to the ITU RBS1773 preset and target -24 LKFS for the integrated loudness. Mixing for Netflix, the target for the dialogue-gated integrated loudness is -27 LKFS with a tolerance of 2 LU. The line shown on the graph is short-term loudness, and the green zone goes from -25 to -29 LKFS, 2 loudness units either side. The overall LRA should be between 4 and 18 loudness units, and the dialogue-gated LRA should not exceed 7 loudness units. On the true peak meter, your max true peak must not exceed -2 dB, although Netflix actually recommends that you set your master limiter to -2.3 dB to allow for any discrepancies. Thank you for watching. As always, you can visit the NewGen Audio website to download a free trial. If you would like to read the Netflix specification, you can find a link in the description for this video.